Guys, so the assignment for Smart Music this week is simply going to be to explore one specific item, and that is to explore a solo for you to play. Now, you are not going to record and or play it this time, but I do want you to take that into consideration when you make your selection. So when you log into Smart Music, you're going to see this screen. Okay. Yours might look a little different. Mine is the teacher view, but either way, you're still going to have these music categories down here at the bottom. I want you to select solos. And over here, see solos is already checked for you since that's what you selected on the previous page. Filter out your instrument. Okay, select your specific instrument. Percussionist. If you are a battery percussionist, you need to select snare drum specifically, not percussion. It's down there at the bottom. There it is, snare drum. If you are a mallet percussionist, then select mallet percussion. Battery, do not select percussion. Okay? So you're going to select your instrument, and for this time around, select easy in the difficulty level. I know some of you will want to pick something different, but for now, we're going to go with easy, and we'll go from there. Okay? So filter out your instrument. I'm just going to pick flute here. Depending on your instrument, you might have a slightly less selections to pick from, but you'll still have plenty to view. All right. So when you get to, you're going to have a number of selections. Just start sifting through and selecting. So you're going to click on the one you might be interested in. Click on Open. And yes, you do have to select your instrument again. Okay. And then click Open. And it'll show you the music. And then you can listen to the accompaniment. You can listen to your part being played, uncheck that, see how it is muted, and you can mute or unmute a metronome. Same thing over here, accompaniment, mute or unmute accompaniment. And then play. Okay. So it's going to play the example and exactly what the accompaniment and what the piece sounds like together. And so on. Okay, if you like it, then use that. If you don't, then go back and do the whole thing all over again and select the one that you would like to consider playing. Okay, so once again, just pick the first one that you see. Pick one that interests you, listen to it, explore, take some time with it. The selection is not due until the end of the week, so you have the first 3 days really to kind of explore different options. So don't just pick the first one. Listen to what you like. Okay? You're going to submit the title of that piece and the person who wrote it to a Google Sheets that I will provide for you at the beginning of the week. My Google just thought I just said something to him. He found a Sheets for me. Anyway, so I'm going to go through this once again really quickly.
One is sheets number 615 at 160 Leader Heights, York.
Okay. And back from this screen, once again, click on Solos. Select your instrument. Select Easy. Explore. Listen to it. Yes, I'd like it. Add the title and the composer to the Google Sheets. All right, that's it.